name is Joel Henderson. I was born and raised here in Superior, Nebraska. This community is part of who I am. I moved away for almost 9 years, met many people along the way, but the people of Superior are like no other. Eventually, I knew I wanted to come home. In the middle of the rural Midwest, we don't have every single convenience of a more urban area, but we take care of our own. Since Broadstone was founded, our community has dedicated every possible resource to ensure high-caliber health care for the folks in Nuckolls County. Fundraising for Broadstone's new infusion suites was really important to all of us. We have all been affected by cancer at some point, so we know how much it would mean to chemo patients and their families to have a treatment facility right here at home. At last year's Harvest Moon Gala, it was overwhelming and rewarding to see all of that hard work come full circle. I've always known that my community cares, but attending the gala is when it really hit home. The people of Superior want innovative, first-rate healthcare for their neighbors. My town's commitment to healthcare took on a whole new meaning at the end of last year when I was diagnosed with multiple myeloma. This is an extremely rare form of cancer in someone my age. Less than 1% of those diagnosed are under the age of 40. It was a huge shock. When I first started receiving chemo treatments, I had to drive the 2-hour round trip to Hastings every single week. It was exhausting, and I literally wasn't able to do it alone. Luckily, in April, I was able to start receiving treatment here at Broadstone. That's a 3-block commute from my house, which is a distance I can do alone. Broadstone has always worked so hard, not just to keep up, but to get ahead. To be there when patients need technology, treatment, comfort, care. I think the hospital's new healing garden will be a tremendous example of Broadstone being intentional about meeting the needs of not just patients, but their loved ones as well. Broadstone cares about the people in this community, people who deserve more than a cold, sterile medical facility. Here in Superior, we're an hour from almost everything. But in a small town like this, everything that happens, good or bad, hits close to home. Our healthcare should happen close to home too. At Broadstone, it can.